Hi, this is Elizabeth with WTI, and it's time to give your couch a second life. Like, look, these couch covers are amazing. It's from Easygoing Home. It's 3 pieces, and it gives your couch a second life. There's nothing better than making it feel like you have a new couch without having to purchase a new couch. All you need is these couch covers. What it means by having 3 pieces is that there's one that fits the entire couch, and then there's 2 that fits each couch cushion, as you can see. So from the back it looks a little wonky, but of course from the front it looks perfect. So it gives that vibe of having an actual couch compared to normal slip covers. It just looks like one big blob sometimes. So we don't want blobs, we want a couch, and being able to see your cushions and the indents and the crease, it really gives that more of a sophisticated couch. This is the grayish green color, and I absolutely love this color. You can see a little bit better up close here. It's extremely soft. It feels so good to lay on, and it's machine washable, so we don't have to worry about pets or kids or anything like that. I want to say it's a very unique green because it's not super dark and it's not super light. So it adds that nice color to your room, but it does not overtake as being the centerpiece. It adds that warmth and comfort that I was needing in my living room. Sometimes your couch needs a little bit of an update, but all you have to do is get a new cover. This 3-piece cover makes it look like a brand new couch. You can pick the color that you want. I absolutely love having this, and it looks amazing in my living room, and I can't wait to have all my friends over and enjoy what looks like a brand new couch. And that's my point of view.